So welcome for today's class of science. Today's question is taken from class 7th science. So today's question is a pendulum oscillates 20 times in 10 seconds. Okay? So you'll have to find its time period. So first you will write down the formula for time period, which is equal to total time taken upon number of oscillations, which is equal to 10 upon total time taken is 10 upon 20. Okay, so if you cancel this you will get 1 upon 2, which is equal to, okay, here it is given a pendulum oscillates 20 times. So number of oscillation is 20 and total time taken is 10 seconds. So 10 upon 20 I have done. I got 1 upon 2, 0, 0 will get cancelled. I got 1 upon 2. If you divide this and see somewhere in the corner, you will get 0 0.5. So 0 0.5 will be your answer, 0 0.5 seconds. Okay, so I hope you'll have understood. This is 0 0.5 seconds. Okay. So I hope you'll have understood how to do such kind of problem, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.